Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will see the question number 5, which is distinguish between the following. There are the 4 A, B, C, D, and first is pilot study and pretest, B is correlation and regression, C is estimation and testing of hypothesis, and D is probability distribution and frequency distribution. So we need to distinguish all of the following, means in the between the two distinguish we need. And if you want a complete paid assignment of any course or any assignment, and all the paid questions answers, so simply DM us on WhatsApp at this given number, which is showing on your screen, which is 900-936-8238. We will contact you as soon as possible. So if you want paid assignments, simply contact us on this number. And one more thing is that many free answers are available on this channel, so go and check out all the free answers which you want. And thank you guys for watching this video.